We all want our homes to look beautiful for the holidays.
So to help remove the stress, we're going to show you how to decorate your front door for Christmas.
When picking the decor for your front door, it's really important to pick something that is going to go with the rest of your house. So for example, in my case, I have a very neutral palette, and I wanted to pick something that was probably a little bit more minimalistic, but still looked very glamorous.
So now that we determined the look for the front door, now we need to do all of the prep work. So our front door went from looking like this to this, so it's nice and clean. Now we have to measure everything. It's really important to measure what you're needing to make sure you buy enough product or not too much product. And so we measured the front door and we figured out that we needed 24 feet of garland. Now when we picked the garland, we opted to do plugged in garland. That way we can set it on a timer instead of battery operated, because we do have outlets by the front door, so that worked out great for us. And then we measured the front door because we had to go buy a steel ring because we did our own wreath, which you'll see later in the video.
So now it's time to set up the garland. One of the things that we find works really well is to have thin little tacks and nail them to the doorway frame, because it really holds the garland in place. Now, we knew we wanted to add a little bit more, I guess more garland in the center for the look that we were looking for. So we wanted a style that we were going to use maybe some oversized ornaments, and our recommendation to you is to lay the style out before you actually climb the ladder and start putting them up. We decided that for us, it was easy to do it on the dining room table. That way we could see the layout.
So now that we have the garland and the oversized ornaments all set up, now it's time to do our wreath. Now for our wreath, we wanted something a little bit more modern, so we actually DIY'd our own wreath. And if you follow us on Instagram, you'd see all of the little funny errands that we have to go run to go get the products that we needed to make this wreath. So first we used a steel craft ring from Hobby Lobby that we actually spray painted gold because we wanted more of like a modern feel. And then we attached fresh pine tree clippings. Now, if you don't know, here's a little hack. We picked up our clippings from Lowe's. At the end of the night, they'll give them to you in a bag. And if you saw on Instagram, Mom was carrying a bag that was basically her size, full of pine clippings. So we tied the pine clippings together with floral wire. And then to tie the whole look together with the oversized ornaments outside, we used some ornaments that we already had that were in the same gold and champagne tones. And we used ornament hooks and floral wire again to kind of just hook them up onto the wreath. Finished it off with a little ribbon to use as a little hanger, and we were done. So if you've already learned a quick tip from us in this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up.
We like to keep a really cohesive look, and since we used the natural clippings for the wreath, we found these beautiful pine trees, and they were only $14.95. We'll make sure to link them down below. And if you haven't seen our other video on the modern fall entry, we had already purchased these pots, so it was nice and easy. We just changed out the plants and it looks amazing. We know that many times you don't have to buy a new entryway rug. We had used this before and we really love the look of it because it tied in with what we're doing now. This look came about really quickly and we were able to finish it in one afternoon.
So if you love this video as much as we love putting it together, make sure you subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comment section down below, because we really want to know how you guys, maybe add some pictures, how you guys are going to decorate your front door for Christmas.